thing this time.
Okay. So we are going to do a walkthrough on how to set up a REPL, what is it, system builder with Sublime text editor for Python.
All right, so first thing we need to do is install the Sublime REPL package using Shift Control P install.
Control Shift P install packages.
All right, and the package we want to install is called Sublime REPL.
And it's right here, and we just click on it. And it says successfully installed.
Okay. The next thing that we want to do is create a build system definition for Python with build system, new build system.
Mm-hmm.
And then in here, basically, it's like 3 lines. I think I sent you a link to those earlier, but here I'll just send you the lines directly. So there's the lines in the chat.
I think that got it all.
Okay, so you save this as something. Save it in packages user Sublime REPL -Python. So packages user.
Like what should I
this is, I believe, is specifically Python. So let's call this one like Python REPL. Or like they were saying call it Sublime REPL because that's the name of the package -Python for the thing that it's running.
.python / build.
No, dash Python. No, go back. Yeah.
This
Sublime REPL -Python. Sublime REPL, no underscore anything like that in between. Sublime REPL, one thing -Python. Not dot, but dash.
Oh.
Yeah. And then the extension is .sublime-build. So not Python build, just Python. Yeah, take the build out of the middle part. So python.sublime-build. Right.
Yep. That's it. Okay. Save.
Okay. So then you go to the Python file tab, right? So just like go to one of your tabs that has Python in it.
What?
Go.
Oh, is it time to go? Oh, okay. All right. Say again.
Click on the tab that has some Python code in it.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Right. And then go to Tools, Build System, and select your Python thing, Build System. And then.
Oh, this one.
That one. Okay, now you should be able to do Control B. And
there we go.
Can you interact? I think you can. You can drag it to the bottom of the window and split the window so you can edit and do it at the same time.
Yeah. Okay. What is that? View, layout, 2 rows.
2 rows. Yeah.
And then we click this window, and then we hit Control B, and then there it goes. Rock.
Yeah.
Oops, not a tie. Okay, so that's it. That was we did the whole thing, and that was actually we didn't have to edit as much as we thought we would.
Yeah. No.
All right, I'm gonna stop recording now. Thank you, Terrac.
Yep.
Okay.